They have taken the best drone on the market today and they've made it even better. We're gonna talk all about it. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are talking about the DJI M30T and this little attachment on top. It's the CZI LP12 speaker spotlight. It's very cool. We're gonna test it all out today. So the M30T doesn't come with a speaker spotlight, so this is third party from CZI. They've been working really closely with DJI to develop this and other attachments for drones like the DJI Mavic 3T. So they're doing a lot to make this drone even better. I've talked about this drone extensively, the M30T, got several videos on it. You should go check them out. But I do believe that this is the best drone on the market. So we're gonna test it out today with this LP12 to see if it does make it a more capable drone, an even more capable drone than it already is. But first we gotta give a big thank you to today's sponsor, Autopilot. Autopilot is an app that allows you to get FAA Lance approval when you are flying in controlled airspace. So you get hired for a big job flying your drone, but you wanna make sure that you're okay to fly there. You wanna make sure that you're in FAA compliance. So you go to Autopilot, you punch in the address, and it'll tell you exactly what airspace you're in, and it'll give you the opportunity to get FAA Lance approval right there on the spot. You can also schedule in advance. It's gonna give you weather conditions. It's gonna tell you what class airspace you're in. It's gonna give you all sorts of information for your flight mission. So make sure you go to autopilot.io and download that app. Now, we don't do a lot of sponsorships like this. We only do it for products that we actually believe in and that we actually use. And we have used Autopilot. We've tested it out. Works great. You're not gonna regret it. Check out autopilot.io. All right, let's get on with the testing of the LP12 on the M30T. We're gonna start with the spotlight, so we're gonna go to nighttime first. Here we go. All right, so I'm back. I've already got the M30T up in the air. We're up at about 100 feet right now, and I'll take it up higher and higher, and then we'll be able to see the spotlight. Okay, so you can see how dark it is right now. Literally, the light from the remote is lighting me, so it is very dark outside right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the spotlight, and we are at 103 feet right now. I'm just curious to see how that's lighting me up. All right, so there's darkness. Here I am in the light. You can see me right now, right here. I'm gonna turn the light off. You can see here on the screen, I'll show you. You can't dim it or anything. It is gonna be just on or off, or you can flash as well. You can make the light flash on and off as well. So we don't need that. We've got beacons going, and you know, we should be okay otherwise. I'm gonna turn the spotlight off. You can see complete darkness. Turn it back on. You can see I'm lit up. So that is at 100 feet. All right, so we are at exactly 203 feet right now. I should mention also, you're looking at night sight right now. So this is sort of like night vision for the M30T. It's called night sight. So it's switched over to that because it just makes it a lot easier to see. This is 200 feet right now. You can see that it's lighting me up pretty darn good. What I like about this is it turns into a little bit more of a floodlight, and I do like that. And you can see the camera, the light moves with the camera, so that's pretty cool as well. All right, let's take it up to 300 feet. All right, so we're now at 300 feet, but you can see it's doing a good job. That spotlight is broadening out a little bit more, but you can definitely see me. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You can see here on the zoom from 300 feet, that's pretty darn good. You can see it pretty well. Now the light does shake a little bit, obviously, but that's okay. So you can see me really well. That's with the zoom. Let me just make sure I'm widened all the way out. So yeah, I'm widened all the way out in the zoom lens, and this is the wide angle lens here, and then the thermal is right here, and you're going to be able to see here. I'll walk around just a little bit so you can see me. You can see the car is all lit up because it's hot. So it was driven not that long ago. Okay, so we're at 300 feet right now. Let me go up to 400. Okay, so I'm at max height right now. Obviously the light is gonna be dimmer because we're up so much higher, but it is gonna light up a lot more of the area. Let me just switch over. So here's the wide angle camera on that. You can see how much, that lights up a large area, and if I moved it just a little bit, it would light up the entire driveway. So, or I'm sorry, the parking lot there at least. It would light up the whole parking lot. So yeah, pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with this. I mean, it is still, you know, here's a look at the zoom lens again. That's directly over me at 400 feet. So yeah, you're getting a pretty good light with this. I think for the spotlight, I think we're impressed right now. All right, so there's our nighttime test with the LP12 spotlight. What did you guys think? Did you think it was good? Did you think it was bad? Did it light up the area enough? Is the beam too small? What do you guys think? Let us know. I think it did a pretty good job, and I think it's going to be a really useful tool for public safety especially. I think they're going to use this spotlight a lot and hopefully save some lives with it. But now let's test out that speaker. I'm going to do it in the same way that I did with the spotlight. We'll start at 100 feet, then we'll go up to 200, 300, 400. I'm going to lock it at a certain volume, like 75%, so that you can hear it loud, but it's also not distorting if it goes too loud. So I'll keep it at that level all the way up from 100 all the way up to 400 feet. I'll turn towards it so my microphone is facing the drone, and hopefully you'll be able to hear what the drone has to say at each altitude. All right, so I've got the drone up at about 100 feet right now, so we're gonna test it out here on the LP12 and just see how it does, see what it sounds like at 100 feet. All right, you can see on the screen here, basically you gotta hit this little SDK button, PSDK button that is right under the record and picture button here on the screen. So you touch that, you're gonna get some options here. Obviously I showed you the options for the spotlight, but here is the speaker. So you have the option to either do a live broadcast where you speak and it literally at the same time it's like a megaphone basically. You can also record something into the remote, and you can also do text to speech, so you can type something in and it'll repeat that. But what we're gonna do is the recording. So I'm gonna record something into the remote and it's gonna repeat it. So let's try it at 100 feet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
All right, so there's 100 feet. Don't know if you guys could hear that or not, but hopefully you could. I'll go up to 200 feet. All right, we're at 200 feet right now. Let's try it again.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
All right, hopefully you guys can hear that. I can hear it pretty good. And we've got some good wind going on too, so that's pretty good. Let me go up to 300. All right, we're up at 300 feet. Let's give it a shot.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
All right, so that was 300 feet with the speaker at 72% strength on that speaker. So let's push it up to 400 feet and see how that does. All right, we're at max altitude right now. Let us try it.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
All right, so that did a pretty good job. I could hear it from down here. Let's do it at 100% and just see what that sounds like.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Can you hear me?
So I can absolutely hear it. There's definitely some distortion when you get that loud, obviously. So what did I think about the speaker? I think it did a really fantastic job. I think at 100, 200, and 300 feet, at 72% power on the speaker, you could hear it really, really well. Then when you go up to 400 feet, obviously it's more faint. You can still hear it. It's still gonna get somebody's attention, but you can crank it up to 100 and really get somebody's attention, even at 400 feet. So I think the speaker is really, really good. So the spotlight, I said this earlier, I think really is pretty fantastic. I think there are some that would like sort of a wider floodlight as opposed to just a spotlight. But I think for what it is, I think it does a really, really nice job. The cost of this unit is about $2,000 for the speaker spotlight combo, and I think it is well worth that price. But I think the CZI LP12 is a great addition to the M30T because it is absolutely gonna probably help search and rescue save some lives. So like I said, they are taking the best drone on the market, the DJI M30T, and they're making it even better with this speaker spotlight. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Got to thank our sponsor for today's video again, Autopilot. Make sure you go to autopilot.io for more information and to download that app. We appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you next time.